Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Sorry about the slight delay, 4 minutes and 45 seconds late. I was on the phones, a lot going on, talking to the team, talking to investors, what is happening with SpaceX. Are we selling? We were up $42,000 today. We're still up 14 grand. I'm not going to be too upset about that, but but anyway, we were up 42 grand earlier, and it's actually really good. Actually, I'm quite happy. We're building a new base to take off again and go much higher. So I'm not selling anything, but what we have done is we've taken money off the top. In Discord today, we had a very powerful event, 174 investors today inside Discord. It was incredible, and we've now got a new AI agent who scripts us out our events afterwards. So if you join us, we can go through all the trades. You can discuss all the trades once it's finished. Really cool. So that's all happening. But we trimmed off the top. We've taken some profit today. We've protected our position. We've paid off some margin. So when it falls down slower. So let me share with you where we are at. So first of all, XRP had a breakout today, and we took some money off the top. Social influencers who are just unsocial anti-idiots telling everyone it's going to run and run forever. Well, we believe in it because we are talking to those that actually buy it, move it, create it, work with it, use it. Banks, Ripple, all these people, and they're taking some profit, and so are we. So we've taken some profit off the top. We've protected our position, and our crypto today is looking rather nice. We've got 30,000. We've taken 3 grand off the top. Our averages have plummeted down. Our security has gone up, our margin has been reduced, so we can buy when things pull back, which they inevitably will on a pump like this. So that's what we've done today. We've taken some money out of XRP. We took some money out of Bitcoin as well, right at the top. Said it was going to pull back, and it did. We took some money off the top, and it's made BTC go in 3rd place with Solana in number 2. I want to change that around. I want Bitcoin to go back in front, but I'm going to wait for Bitcoin to come down further before I buy the replacements for what I sold at the top of the lots. Ethereum and Solana, we haven't touched it, but where the real money is to be made today is not crypto. There's something else going on, and that is Virgin Galactic and SpaceX. That's where the money is. Also, Coca-Cola, 5.5% we sold off. We've been building up. There's still no clarification around the ransomware deal, but we know it's moving forward because we got good information, hence why it's going up. Now, on tonight's Discord event in 2 hours' time, we're going to be taking some money out of Coca-Cola. All right, but very specific trades there tonight. That's coming up later. Really exciting. There's so much going on. You wouldn't believe the stuff that's going on at the moment on this channel. Congratulations to Vaz in the field, right there alongside the BBC, CNBC, CNN, Fox. He's there now as media, not as a YouTuber, as mainstream media. Really proud of Vaz, and the bar is getting higher and higher. Go and ask him, because I'm treating him differently now. He's being spoken to as mainstream media, and he's having to adapt to that lot faster, lot quicker, much higher standards, and yeah, that's the way things are going right now. Anyway, there we go. So Coca-Cola, we're preparing for a big move on Virgin Galactic. We didn't buy this one today. A lot of people did, of course. It went up 6%, but I'm not chasing this position. I'm currently not in that position. I took my money and bought SpaceX with it. And that's where I see greater gains at the moment. Now, we've pulled back very quickly. Some large sales were done a few moments ago, but actually very encouraging to buy back and do it again, but this time even harder. So I can see it could easily go to $140 on Thursday night. And if that happens, I'm going to be nearly $1 million live on the show. We hit all-time highs today, smashed through them. We had a 42,000 $1,000 day, our biggest ever day. I said it could even be 100 grand today. It was in fact 42,000. So it was one hell of a day today. Anyway, this is going to be a shorter show because I've got to get off back on the phones, talk to some serious investors. So this is going to be a very, very short show indeed, as I have to do some research, and I can't do that if I'm on air. Let me do some quick Q&A. Pro member, Potato Family, how are you? Good afternoon from AGM. How are you? Any questions from my members? Terry Rose, oi oi, says Dalish. Hello, Humble Hendricks. Buenos tardes. Good afternoon, everyone from Andres. Liz is here from Germany. Hello, hello, hello. Ninja Cowboy. Amano is here in the green today. Hi, all. Nun member here. Yes, you are a nun member. Wait, I'm a member. No, you're not. No, you're not. You don't have a badge. Sorry about that. Hello, TN. Should I go to sleep now? But I'm addicted to making money. Yeah, I do. I don't care about money. I care about winning. And that's what drives me. Just winning and getting information and knowledge. Money just comes to that. It's not about the money to me. It's about winning. Emotium, evening all. Burn Dog, afternoon, everyone. Henrik from Denmark, how are you? 2 a.m. in Vietnam, how are you? Chris, hello, everyone. Stevie ZBCN, how are you doing this afternoon? Hello there, says Slim Cabal. SBCX getting closer to a buy for me after finally escaping Coca-Cola. What do you mean, finally escaping? You want to be careful there, mate, because we're going to get a 5% rally. It could come any moment now. So when you say it's escaped Coca-Cola, I've still got about 400 grand in Coca-Cola, and I'm expecting a much bigger return. $92 target now. We've increased it. The rewarding of understanding white paper is always emotional. Okay, what does that mean? LOL, I might buy some more SpaceX right now. LOL, sorry, AGM, I'm loving it. Yes, we are too. Are we live and winning with no margin? Oh, no. Oh, we got margin, all right, $500,000. SpaceX, 139, 149. The big pullback was just a wave 2 emotion. Howdy, Diesel Raider. Evening sun is shining. Lovely. It's always shining here. Took a little bit of profit on Virgin Galactic this morning. Very, very wise. There's some big moves about to occur, and you'll know first, of course, inside Discord and YouTube Electrum. We've just upgraded our Electrum and Discord service. We are now going to use an AI agent to transcript the stage event, so you can read about it afterwards. Okay. Any additional crypto catalysts upcoming? Nothing specific that you don't already know from Discord. If SBCX drops below 123, I'll buy. Interesting. Ethan, not happy I missed the Discord discussion. Looking forward to learning more about the AI agent. D knows we have 2-stage events for you every single day on Discord. All the trades are also in the Martyn's Trades and Martyn's Pro Trade, so you can always see them there. We did loads of trades this morning, lots and lots of trades today, and then there was also on YouTube Electrum as well. The trades there, we sold some XRP, we sold some Bitcoin, we made some money. And yes, that's the 1.618 and the 2.618 and the fib extension on the wave 1. Okay, great. I'm not a technical chart guy. I understand it very well, but it's not how I trade. I trade by talking to those that move the market. I do things differently here. James, how you doing? James Robinson, hi, thanks. Hello, everyone. Madam B. XRP is looking for a great bounce. Boani. I'm Martyn and family. Sorry I'm late. Hey, John Granfor. Lovely to have you here. How is a lovely Brenda? Green Candle Chaser here. Hello. How are you this afternoon? Saul. Lovely to see you. A lot going on in the channel today. Have you seen what's been going on? Discord today, 174 people. We got new blogs, new websites coming. We got the team expanding. We've got a lot going on in the last 24 hours. It's really, really quite exciting. Coming up at 17% in space. Congratulations to you, mate. We were up 42 grand today, Green Candle Chaser. $42,000. and we're ready for the next little move. And we took profit. Not a member yet, but Martyn is the truth. Yes, we aim to be the most honest, real, live TV channel in the world. And we're very proud to tell you that we are now regarded as mainstream media as well. Not only do we have the verification tick, we are the news. We have Vaz in the field today alongside TV companies like Fox, CNN, BBC, Sky News, all the rest of it. We are there at Farnborough, the biggest air show in the world. And Vaz is doing a better and better job every day. He's standing proud next to the biggest legacy TV companies in the world, delivering us from the runway. Literally, it's something to behold. We are now mainstream media. I told you we were going to get there, and that's exactly where we are now. Hi, I'm here. Hi, everyone, always watching. Not a member yet, but Martyn's the truth. Thank you, Boansky. Was nice meeting you on Electrum today, mate. Was nice meeting you on Electrum today, mate. What do you mean, meet me on Electrum? I'm not really sure I know what that means. CHGHA. I don't know what that means. You met me on Electrum? I posted my trades there for you. Is that what you mean? Did take some profit on XRP. How high could it go before a little crash? We don't really know how high it can go, but you should always trim your top lots, in my opinion. That's how I've beaten the market for 3 years in a row, 4 years in a row now. Changed my position on SpaceX from 127 to 123. Was a bit scary to miss out on a pop at AJM. Oh, we got a special guest. What's this?
A TNZT8C tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. I'm traveling to Vietnam. My membership not renew.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's the reason. Ah, got you. Space looking tempting. Congratulations. It is Diesel Raider. My finger is twitching over the buy button. Trimmed my top tax lots in SBCE. Now waiting for dip to buy back. Congratulations, Stevie ZBCN. Very, very wise. I'm traveling to Vietnam. New member. Oh, you are a member now. CHGA. Yes, you are a member. When did that happen? I didn't see that happen. Anyway, you are a new member. Congratulations. I'm up 46 million on a short on XRP this year. You're up 46 million on a short on XRP this year. Of course you are. Yes, of course you are. Thailand Chipatata. You're up 46 million. Absolutely. You're not a member of the channel, but you've made $46 million. Only 46 million? There you go. Prove it. Yeah. He's just making it up. Anyway, we really are up $42,000 today. You all saw it happen live on the show. We don't need to make things up. They happen live. Anyway, it's going to be a short show. I've answered all the questions. Have we got any questions? I've got to get back on the phone. I'm talking to the my team, my consortium of Virgin Galactic investors, and seeing when are we going to buy back into Virgin Galactic. So let's go through. We've had a nice little bounce today. This gives you an indication of what's coming on what's going to happen on Thursday with the launch of SpaceX. You now get an idea of how it's going to go. The S&P is barely up today, up 0.84. We were up today. We got some new magic jewels today, just been revealed or just been published. What are they? You'll find out when you get the special reaction. Virgin Galactic, up 6%, but we're not chasing this pump today. Management looking to take some profit from it, so we're not buying that today. You heard it first. SpaceX popped straight up, and we came back down, but we are really happy with where that went. We're not in the slightest concerned about it at all. Palantir is down. Gold is up. Why anyone buys that, I have no idea. Just a pointless thing to me. Amazon is down 0.92. Apple is up 0.43. Enphase Energy up 1.67. Coca-Cola preparing for a big breakout on the ransomware news, getting ready for that. So we haven't sold. We sold some of the bottom lots to take some profit, which was the right thing to do, to buy more SpaceX. We didn't just sell just to pay off margin. We sold to buy more SpaceX, which was the right thing to do. And now we're looking for the top lots, and we're not that far away. And all of a sudden, it will lift off. And it might happen maybe at 2 o'clock this morning. 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. Have I said that officially on the show? No, never said a word. Never said a word. J&J going up. Chevron oil going up. Tesla up. McDonald's down today. Not all not what's the word I'm looking for? Not all defensives are the same. Google down. Yep, the S&P's rubbish at the moment. Microsoft down. Meta flat. Nvidia going up barely 206. We sold it at 220. Walmart going down, getting closer to the 100. I've warned everybody about it. It's an AI play now. It's dragged into all the nonsense. So 100, we might buy that. Tilray Brands, not worth anything at all at 0. Robinhood, way overbought. Vertical Aerospace, well, because today live at the air show, we've got some fantastic new product releases, and we're getting it first before anyone sees it, because we are mainstream media alongside the big legacy media TV companies. Vaz is there for us. Joby Aviation, Archer Aviation. Let me see if I can get Vaz on the phone, actually, and see if we can get a little update from a live link up with Vaz. Let me see if I can get hold of him. Let me see if I can. Taiwan Semiconductor, big rally. Chips doing well. Bitcoin up 1.32. You should have heard the nonsense on social media. Everyone saying, oh, here we go. We're going to 100,000 and making up stories. Utter nonsense. Ethereum is had a bad day. It's come back down again. No, it doesn't look like Vaz is picking up the call. So we'll leave that for another day. So let's have a little look. Anything else we need to do before I go? Okay, I missed a few comments here. Melanie, hi all. What am I doing wrong with my Discord link? Would like to join in, but by becoming a LucasAid Pro, fail all the time. Tells me I would receive questions to answer, but I don't receive them. Well, Melanie, I can do it for you now. Obviously, you've done something wrong. You've either not responded in time. If you only come back, if you snooze, you lose, basically. We've got 200 people waiting to join Discord. You get just a few hours to join. That's it. So when you apply, if you go away and come back a couple of days' time, it's gone. So, Melanie, if you give me your Discord username, I will white glove service you right now. All right? So if you come back to me now with your Discord username, I will tell you exactly where you stand, whether you got an application in process, and help you right now. Sparkles, 46 million, yeah. Group buyback coming soon. 46 million, any minimum amount of money required to follow your trades if I join. Just join YouTube Electrum. It's a YouTube membership. Then you get all of my, you get 2 stage events a week with free stock analysis, free chart reviews. We've got all of that for you. Plus, you get all of my trades 24/7. Or if you want to be in the best community online, on Discord with some whale investors and small investors with 2 stage events every trading day, my trades 24/7, one-on-one support, direct access, where we give you free Luca coins, my own coins, where you win prizes. Then Discord is the way to go. Most people are both, but you do whatever's right for you. But yeah, if you want to join Discord, is it pinned to the top? It normally is. Yes, it is. And it's also there in the chat. If I give it to you there, there's Discord if you want to be part of Discord. And YouTube membership is right there. Does that all work? Yeah, it did. Okay. I give it to you as 90% discount. It's just a couple of bucks because I make money from doing the job. I don't sell training courses. We give you our training courses for free. It's inside our newsletter. All right, there you go. UMAC Breakout says, Gray, thank you for the information. I can't verify it, of course, as you're not a member. $1 minimum if you have to start investing. Yeah, that's all you need. I started with $5,000 and I'm touching $1 million now. This is my actual full wealth tracker. Here we go. Started with $1 million, sorry, $5,000 live on the show, and we're up to 771. We were just short of 800 grand today. Very, very close. And yeah, we'll be $1 million by the end of the decade. That was the target. It looks like we're going to be there maybe the end of this year now. So there we go. How about that, folks? All from $5,000. It's just about working harder than anyone else and winning all the awards and keep going and standing alongside mainstream media. That's what we do. Anyway, are you buying more SPCX on this dip? Absolutely not. That would be absolutely ridiculous because I've got much lower levels. I bought with conviction of the allocation size for my portfolio when it was 120. So why would I pay 123? That wouldn't make any sense at all. I'm already fully allocated. I'm always fully allocated, and I always buy with conviction. Facebook is going to be nuts the next couple of months. TN, why is that? Why is that? MU heading, you mean Meta? I've said it's going to $800, but not in these conditions. MU heading back up to 1,000. Good luck. Be careful, though. A lot of people there waiting to dump. Not all defenses are created equal. That's right. Bayansky, I am trying to replace my week's pay, $2,500, but I don't know how much I'd need for something like that. It'd be nice. Yeah, I aim for $1,000 a day. Today was 42,000. We did take some profit, but yeah. I mean, I've earned double what I earn doing my job by trading. But I'm a high frequency trader. I'm on this job 15 hours a day, and I have a very unhealthy lifestyle, which is about to change. Anyway. Being an investor doesn't mean you stop working your normal job. If you get your normal job, you're not investing. Yeah, I mean, you got to have the engine. You got to earn money. I'm always having money. I'm always working. I invest my income. I wouldn't say you've got to give up your job because that's not unless you become a full-time trader, as I am. But 95% of traders lose money. I've beaten every hedge fund, Wall Street trader for 3-4 years in a row. That's very, very rare. Most traders lose money, and they certainly don't make it a full-time living. MU up to, says Diesel Raider, can't change username here. You can't change username here. What username? Discord username? You can change your YouTube username. You go into your settings and you change it. Easy. Takes about 10 seconds. Bought 393 SpaceX shares at 122. Let's see what happens by the end of the week, says Ethan. A dead man switch. White glove treatment better than a latex glove. Can't change username. You can. You're Charlie A. Charlie A. You are in Discord. You're a pro member. Are you the guy saying you couldn't get in Discord? Oh, no, that's not you. Can't change. Yeah, Charlie A, you're a pro member now, and you've sent me a friend request. I've accepted it. But you can change your name. What you do is you go into YouTube settings, right in the top right-hand corner, and you go into your handle settings for your YouTube account, and you can change it. You should be, I mean, I'm Martyn Lucas, my actual birth name everywhere. I don't mess around. I'm Martyn Lucas. No numbers, no ones, the dots, because people scam you then. I'm Martyn Lucas with no dots everywhere. Martyn Lucas, bang, that's me. It's my real name. Coca-Cola 8232 says 454. In the green again, mate. Good luck to you. My Discord is Melanie5 Right, Melanie. Okay, let me help you. I will give you white glove service right now. Here we go. So, Melanie, let me go and search for you on Discord and see if I can give you an answer. You say you keep applying, you get nowhere. Well, now I'm going to give you the answers. Okay? I'll take your name and I shall go to Discord and I shall go to my members and I shall search for you and see if you're even on the server. And you are not. You're not even on the server and you've not even applied to be on the server. So, Melanie, that's why you're not on the server, because you've not even applied. So that was a quick answer. So, Melanie, if you'd like me to guide you through it and hold your hand now, I'm very happy to do so. Here is the Discord link in the chat right there. Okay, let me just make sure you've got it. And if you follow the steps with me, I will help you. So there is Discord. You click on that link, the Discord link, and you come to this page here. Okay? You come to this page here. All right? And you decide which plan you want. Do you want to be a Lucasade or a Lucasade Pro? Lucasade Pro, you get 2-stage events a day. They get 1 a week. You get all of my trades 24/7. They get trades during the daytime. Plus, you get all the pro investors you can talk to, some whales, and you can send me a friend request for direct support, one-on-one support. 99% of my members are pro, but you can come in and join for $2.99 if you wish to do so. It might be more expensive if you go on an app, because Apple take a commission, but if you prefer that way, it's up to you. However you do it, I would strongly suggest use a browser. It's cheaper. You save more money. I get less. You save more. All right. That would be the way I would go with that. All right. So there you go. So join the server and send me. You'll be presented with. I will see you pop up right now. If you do it right now, I will see you pop up and I can take you through it right now. So I will go into, if you've got a Discord account, if you've got a verified email, I will see you pop up. Let's have a look. Right at the top of the list, I've got Antonium. Is that you? Let me see. Where are you again? Have I just... Yes, Melanie. I've not seen you apply. So, no. Now, if you have been banned from our server, then I won't see your account. Is it a good time to buy SpaceX? Well, not for me, it's not, because I bought much lower. Is it good for you?
Atsufi Yankan 4,966 tipped £1.99 through Super Chat. Is it a good time to buy SpaceX?
Well, I'm not going to advise you what to do, but I bought it expecting to see it go to $250. My average is 129. So you're able to buy it for less than my average. So is it good to buy it here? Well, it's lower than my average. So I always try to not just give people the answer. I want to teach them how I come to the conclusion. Right now, it's below my average. So you're asking me, would I buy here? In fact, I can buy here. Now it's dropped to this level. I can buy here. Hang on a minute. I'm going to buy some. I might buy some SpaceX with everybody. Let me have a quick look. Let me have a quick look a minute. Let me have a quick look. 120. We're at 123. I can buy here as well. I'm just trying to calculate in my head. I could buy here, but I'm not, because I'm calculating what I've already got, the tax position I've got, the likelihood of a lot more volatility tomorrow before the flight. I've got enough. Remember, I've already got $700,000 in total of SpaceX, so I don't need any more. But I can buy it here. It's way below my average. It's $6 below my average. But average is not important. So I'm not going to buy here, but I could buy here. Virgin Galactic is breaking out again. Virgin Galactic is pumping, folks. Let's keep our eye on that. So, who was her name? Melanie. If I don't see you, it's because you've been banned from our server and you're not able to apply. Eat Dirt. Well, that's not you, is it? You're called Melanie. I apologize. I applied again the other day in Discord in the name of waiting for approval. So, status of waiting for approval. So I left until further note. I assumed it would be approved and I would receive a notification. I did apply on this assuming around 3 to 4 months ago, but I was just going to. However, I'm looking back. I didn't really give it long enough to get the grips of it. I'm always watching YouTube. Okay, all the best, Matt. That's a very nice application. Let me start your application again. This is Eat Dirt. You have some funny names, you do, guys. Yeah, I could buy SpaceX here.
At Sufi Yankan 4966 tipped £1.99 through Super Chat. I just bought. Thoughtful face emoji. I like to hold for a year generally.
Do you? I don't look at life like that. I only buy for things I can hold for 10, 20 years, but I trade all the time, high frequency trading, because you don't really make money just holding and joining a fan club. Why say just hold for a year? What does that really mean? What, during any macro condition, the stock market crashes or inflation goes up and you just ride it out when you could have doubled your money? I mean, the reason why I 3 and 4x the market every year is because I'm actively trading. There's not, to me, there's no sense in just buying and holding. That's like joining a fan club. Money has to work and not just sit there and do nothing. So anyway, that's just my theory. That's what I do. Now, please answer questions. So there you go. Ads. Sorry, sorry, I had my notifications turned off. I was busy with family and forgot about it. Okay. Upload. Now, please. Yep. James. Hi, Martin. I'm trading on. Hi, Martin. I'm trading on trading 212. Okay. Okay. Great. Nice one, mate. Let me just answer this. Right. Melanie, I'm trying to help you. You wanted me to support you, but I do not see any applications coming at all. So, yeah. Sorry, Melanie. I don't see you on Discord. I don't see any applications coming in from you. So you've either you're not using Discord, or you've been banned from Discord, or your email's not verified, but I don't see any application from you whatsoever. So I'm not able to help you. I have to move on now. You can change whatever hell you want, says Diesel. Yes. Thank you guys for the reality of it. You two, TN. Going back to the drawing board, trying to make calculation risk and break away from analysis paralysis. Diesel is not having it. That's right. I tried to change my name from 45 Brian to mate. You can change your username. It takes like 1 minute. It's really simple to do. Had my oh, hang on. What's this? Juanaid.
At Junaid Jamshade 8868 tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. August to September everything sells off. Why buy here?
No, that's a ridiculous statement. That's not how the stock market works. That's like saying the stock market always goes up by the dip. It doesn't make any sense. What you're saying there is just a little bit of a coincidence, and you're tying your investment thesis to, well, last year and the last few years, August and September, that's not investing strategy. Look at the balance sheet. Read the inflation reports. That's how you invest, not, well, in August, September, it normally sells off, so it's going to sell off this year. That's not how I invest at all. Had my T-shirt come today. Very pleased with it, said Martin Young. Spot on. Fantastic, Martin. I'm really, really pleased. That's really great. I actually thought it was delivered a couple of days ago. That's the notification I had. Hello, Martin. Coca-Cola is pumping. Yes. Let me see if I can take some profit from it. Oh, it's not pumping. No, it's not. It's not pumping, mate. When we get to 80, 83.50, then you can say it's pumping. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's getting ready when they release the information about the malware. It'll go through the bloody roof, because the target has been increased now by all the banks, institutions to 92, which is where I was telling you before. 90 to 92 now. Anyway, subwoofer. Yeah, it's not really pumping, mate. It's up, but remember it was 80. It was nearly 85 before. So all it is a macro condition trade. I own Virgin Galactic. My strategy is to hold it and occasionally buy more if I can if I can, if it significantly dips. Is it a wise strategy to do this, or do I have my head in the sand? Captain Cardman, just to say, we have actually proven categorically, beyond any shadow of a doubt, no room for discussion, so I'm not opening it up for debate, mathematically, because I love numbers, I study numbers all the time, it does not make sense to dollar cost average. It does not make sense to just buy regularly. That's like saying I go to the casino every Wednesday and every Wednesday I choose black. I mean, it's always worked out in the past. It means nothing. Every single time you roll the dice, it's 50-50, red or black. You know what I mean? And saying a Wednesday or a Tuesday, the stock doesn't care what day it is, what month it is. Regularly buying means nothing at all. I'm focusing on balance sheets, macro conditions, and relationships with humans who are actually buying and selling the stock. That's it. When the macro conditions are right and all the conditions are right, I buy with conviction. When they're not, or when they've gone up, I sell, and then I do it again. So buying periodically, that's not a strategy. That is human behavior and a habit forming. That's not a good strategy for me. So just buying occasionally whenever it dips is not really a reason. It's like SpaceX has dipped this afternoon, and I said to you, I could buy it here. So if you've not got it, it's not a bad chance for you to buy. However, I didn't buy it. Not because it's wrong not to buy it. It's right to buy it, but I'm not doing it because it doesn't fit my portfolio, my overall structure. So just because it's down or on a dip doesn't mean you should just buy it. It's more to it than that. I'm Mike the Tiger on Discord. Is this what we are doing? Is this what we are doing now? Just reintroducing ourselves. No, we're not. We're not. I was just trying to help people, Mike. A lady called Melissa is trying to get on Discord, and yet she hasn't even applied for Discord. So I'm just trying to help people. I think J&J is looking good for a starter trade. It's a great business, and a defensive play is the place to be, especially pharmaceuticals. That's where we'll go next. Did you see a dip coming for SPCE? Well, I wouldn't say I see a dip coming, but I know that the biggest investors haven't started buying yet. So there's too much pressure with the shorters to win with a few 100,000 or million so retail investors. The big money is sat on the sidelines, and when the big money moves, then you get real big moves. That's why I'm not buying Virgin Galactic today, because the big retail investors aren't moving on it at all. So not at the moment. We've already taken money from it. Coca-Cola is moving. It is moving, but it's not pumping as was just suggested. Electrum and Lucas A Pro member. It is absolutely worth it, says Slim Cobalt. Thank you so much indeed, mate. There'll be another event for you shortly as well. Electrum members, Electrum Charmine. But I did apply right now. Seriously, Melanie, there's absolutely nothing coming through from you at all. So, I'm not calling you a liar, Melanie, of course, but you just told me your username on Discord is Melanie, and there is no Melanie applying for Discord. I'm literally staring at it. So I don't know what to say, Melanie, but I did apply right now, seriously. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, did you just give me your... my Discord username is Melanie5_. No, there's nothing on the server. There's no one applying. No. Did you click apply? Did it say you're applying? Did you see the questions? Because I asked you a question. I give you an interview process. Did you see anything at all? What are you applying to? Fat Fingered Ethereum has just applied. Antonium just applied. Gigs, Edward Albert, ads, but there's nothing from you. Any Melanie. So I can't keep talking about it because, you could be messing me about. And a lot of people do. So I've just got someone send me a friend request. They're not a member, so I've got to reject that. Risago just sent me oh, there you go. Risago is a pro member. He's just sent me a friend request. I can accept that. Thank you, Risago. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry, Melanie, I can't help anymore. Where am I? Let's go through here. SBCX 122, yes, and this is why Martyn is the GOAT. SpaceX will drop below 100, and you know it. Oh, do I? So what are you saying? Crooked Toes, that's a nice name. What are you saying? I'm trying to manipulate my audience. I'm trying to what? Somehow control $1 trillion business with 120 odd people watching? I mean, is that what you're saying? And I know it? What, I'm just lying and making it up, even though everything that's been said here is completely true and transparent. And I love when people say stuff like that. SpaceX will drop below 100, and you know it. Do I? Okay, well, you're saying it. Just because you're saying it doesn't mean a damn thing. I added more at 122. Congratulations. Would you buy SpaceX if Martyn bought for 129? Good value. It's currently 123. Decisions. Yeah, but Ethan, it doesn't make it more a buy because it's cheaper or gone down in price. It depends on your portfolio balance. It depends on so many factors. Of course, if you liked it at 129, then you should love it at 122, as long as the macro conditions haven't changed, and they haven't. Everything is on schedule for Thursday night, so there's nothing bad has happened. There's been no macro conditions that have changed the thesis. There's been no rise of inflation or drop of inflation or a war broken out or a shortage on rocket parts. You know, there's no reason why we wouldn't want to buy it, but I'm not buying it because I'm already... If it went below my lowest price, I certainly would, but not otherwise. Martyn's getting more polite by the day, only telling Melanie to eat dirt rather than calling her a bloody idiot. Ethan, I didn't tell her to eat dirt. There was a member called Eat Dirt. I want to be clear about that. I didn't tell Melanie to eat dirt. I told Melanie there's a member called Eat Dirt applying to be on our server. It's a big difference. All right. How can it happen? How can it happen to be banned? And what to do about it? Well, Melanie, I really, at my better judgment, don't want to spend all this time helping you because I think you're messing me around. Because there is no application on my server. If you want, I will do one more thing for you. And this really has to be it. I will search for your username. You're telling me your Discord username is Melanie, this one here. All right. I'm going to search and see if it's one of my banned ones. All right. I'm going to go and see if it's one of my banned. And if it's been banned for a very good reason. So, I'm sure you understand. I've got to take care of my audience. So let me, how do I do that? I've never searched for a banned person before. I tell you what, I'll call William, see if he picks up. Let's see if William picks up. I've never looked for a banned member. Server settings. Oh, William. I think William's gonna pick up. Hello, mate. Do you know how I search for a banned member? I've got a username. I've never done it before. but someone's insisting they're applying and I can't see them. And if I put them in the members, of course, they don't appear because there's no one on the server by that name. And I'm sure I've seen banned members because you can unban people. So I'm trying to think, where do I go to see banned members? Is it in... Yeah, let me do that. That'll be easier, won't it? That'll be easier. Right, William, let me give you the name. Here we go. There you go. There's the username. There we go. Thank you, mate. Cheers. Thanks. Bye. Right. So, Melanie, we're actually seeing if you are in our banned list. I've never looked because I've never unbanned anybody because I never even thought about unbanning anyone. So there we go. Cardo Jim wants to apply. Understanding. Bloody hell, Cardo Jim. You just skipped out the questions and put a question mark. Hi, Cardo Jim. This is Martyn Lucas. Question number 3, you've put a question mark. Well, the answer is in the video. If you've watched the video, it'll give you the answer. If you don't watch the video, you don't get the answer. And sadly, I can't admit you to our server. So I wish you all the very best. Good luck. Anyway, we're just looking into it for you, Melanie. All right. Eat Dirt, you've just been accepted onto our server. You now have half an hour to choose your membership if you want to join us for the stage event tonight. Eat Dirt, there you go. Congratulations. And there is your voice note from me. Congratulations, you're in. Right, there you go. I've just got William on the phone trying to just look for me how we find out how someone's been banned. I'm sure it's in members section and then banned members section. I don't know. I hope you didn't come off as rude because I was never intended that at work. Simply and I haven't been apply. No, Harrison, it's all good. I just want to make sure that you fully understand exactly what's going on. No problems at all. Right. Come back to the chat. Here we go. Now SpaceX starting to go up again. This is good. Let's go back. I missed a few comments. Let me scroll back up here. If I don't work throughout the day, I'd love to be part of the Discord. If I didn't work throughout the day, well, 405 cards, you know it's 24 hours a day, Discord server. We have events all the time. We have stage events at different times in the day and night. So it's a 24-hour server. No, I get a page with that I should get questions, but no questions at all popping up. Well, because you have to apply to get the questions, and you've not applied. So have you actually got a proper account on Discord, and have you registered an email, and can you use other Discord servers? Anyway, are you inside our... Well, you're not inside our server. Anyway, I don't know what else to say. Okay, I understand. Go on, Martin. I might find out later. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am late. Was there any trades? Someone just posted in trades. Someone? I didn't post in trades, Petra. Bots are working hard right now. What do you mean, Ben? There's no bots here. I think SpaceX low would be 89, just a gut feeling. No, that wouldn't make any sense. Fat fingered here. People don't seem to realize that you are under no obligation to listen. You're under no obligation to listen. Well, I listen to everybody and answer every question. What do you mean? People aren't under obligation to listen. What do you mean? He speaks honest sense. If you cannot see that, that's fine. We are all fallible. Class cannot be bought nor sold, only proven. And here we are, folks going silly these days. Broke. What does that mean, Zach? Who's broke? Can we eat dirt? Still asking for my phone number. Discord is so messed up. No more cat food requests. Terry Rose, we've got 871 members. There really is nothing wrong with Discord. The only reason why you might have a problem is all numbers now are recycled. Remember that. There's no new numbers. All IP addresses are recycled. So if someone has scammed on your number, and sadly, that's just the way things are. There isn't an answer. Anyway, we don't even ask for a phone number on Discord. We took that away to make things easy for people. It's just email. Anyway, Terry, I thought you were on Discord anyway. SBC seems to be having a nice little moment. It is, but I wouldn't be buying. I've got some very good information that we might have a bounce after hours tonight on SpaceX and Coca-Cola. Virgin Galactic is running, but the real money isn't in it. So I'm not in this at the moment, and neither is my team. So be careful. Let's have a look. Real Silver, Real Ivan. Maybe she is applying to a scamming channel and not the real Martyn. Well, I've given her the link. She's clicked on the link, but for some reason we can help people and we give them assistance. We have tickets to create for one-on-one support. But if you're not even in the server or even applying to the server, we can't even start to help you, can we? Anyway, SPCE are getting excited. It is getting excited. There could be some action here. It's starting to move, but at 8%, I'm not jumping in at this level. Let's have a look. Stretched its legs. Yes, it did. Snap. How do you protect your shares during a launch? I don't believe in protecting my shares. I don't do stop losses. Never do that. Absolutely not. My God, no. I don't do stop losses. I don't buy gold. I don't do hedges. I buy value. I buy balance sheets. That's all I do. My mother had to find her drummer one time. He was drunk. A band member he became. I don't understand that, Terry. I hope you are grateful, Melanie. Bro got work to do and doing all he can to help. That's very kind. And not many others would take the time. No one gets left behind on the channel. We help everyone personally. Ben Baines. I normally don't like when people call me bro because I'm too old for that nonsense and I like to use the King's English. But at the end of the day, that's very nice of you. Maybe I'll start responding to when someone calls me bro. Never done it before. I'm just an old fart, you see. I don't do those sort of phrases, but I just got called bro and I kind of liked it. I've changed my mind now. Ben Baines has brought me into the 21st century, and he's made me like when I'm called bro. There you go. I'm gonna live with it now because it was so polite and nice. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is running a little bit. SPC Martyn is cool. He ain't no Simon Cowell. Cheer Bella, hold your breath and hope for the best. Space rallying into the close. Yes, wish we knew if it remains. I appreciate you so much, Martyn. So a lot of Virgin Galactic and some SpaceX this morning. Made a nice profit. Ready to get back in when it comes. Congratulations. How can you go wrong making money? How can you go wrong winning? I was afraid of that. Thank you. Cheer Bella. SBC having another go. Wow. Coca-Cola. What's it doing? What's it doing? Why is everyone freaking out? What do you mean, wow, Coca-Cola? What? It's not doing anything. Why do people say stuff and I get all excited. I go and have a look and go, it's not doing anything. What are you seeing? I don't see what you're seeing. Anyway, Melanie says, okay, thanks. I am curious. If not, I give it up. No, if you're going to give it up, why am I bothered? I never give up. I never give up. I help everybody. If it doesn't mean anything to you, if you're not bothered, why am I wasting my time? My time is worth $700 an hour. That's what my time is worth. So you've had about $150 of my time. Honestly, I could have traded half a dozen times in the time I've spoken to you. I'm here to help every single person. So don't say give up, because if you give up, why am I even bothered? Anyway, maybe I find out later. Well, do it now. Just follow the steps. I can literally guide you through it right now if you follow the steps. SPC up 8%, 9% now. I've always heard never buy the same stock twice. Who the hell tells you that? What would be the sense of that? 9%. Virgin Galactic is running. Virgin Galactic is running. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, oi. Virgin Galactic is running. Oh, hang on. The bell's gone. We got a movement. We got a little bit of action. Virgin Galactic is moving a little bit. Nothing specifically. SPC pumping. Yes. Is the short squeeze. Let's have a look. What's the short squeeze territory? I've not looked at it for 24 hours. Let's have a look. SPCE. Let's see where it is right now. It was accurate information, not what Robin would say. They make it up half the bloody time. Short interest, 37.87 is the actual short interest at the moment. So with volume, we are still in the mega short squeeze territory. There you go. Oops, lazy. 37.87. There's the number there, look. 37.87. Looking nice. Yeah, interest in that. I don't see any big moves for any specific reason at the moment. So I'm not buying at the moment. Look at Virgin. Yes, indeed. Let me put it on the screen. Yes. That person is not banned. Thank you, William. All right, Melanie, my admin, William, has just looked for you. You are not banned on our server. So if you are applying, if you click on that link, then there's no reason whatsoever why you would not come through to the server. Let me just give it to you again. It looks like you're messing around now with us. Yeah, it's always a lady as well. It's always a lady. I don't mean that against the ladies. It's often a guy pretending to be a lady and think, I'm not even going to go down that road, but I've got loads of data now. It's ridiculous. And they always have little... Anyway, it doesn't matter. Don't want to give it away. But anyway, just click... If you click the purchase button, like this. If you clicked accept invitation, have you done this? Obviously, I can't do it because it brings you into... Well, if you click on it, did you just see that? And when you see that, you come to this page. And then you choose. Which one do you want? That one or that one? Is that what you see? And then if you click subscribe... I don't want to put my credit card on the screen, do I? That's not what I want to do. So that's all you needed to do. Did you see all those things happen in that order? If you did, then you should be good. Anyway. Let me carry on. I missed a few comments here. Where was I? I miss. Yes. Right. Volume in space is still too low. I know. I agree with you. There's not the big money's not even looking at Virgin Galactic at the moment. We're all focusing on We're all focusing on Coca-Cola, SpaceX. There's no real money or interest in Virgin Galactic, which is good, because if you're getting this pump with nobody buying it, then you're doing all right, okay? But I'm not buying it at the moment. Martin, is there live trading on Discord? Yes, there's way more. I give it to you for 90%. It's worth more than $100. I'm giving it for a couple of bucks a month. You find out. You can always cancel it if you don't like it, all right? But there is a waiting list, though, to join. About 200 people now wanting to join Discord. Anyway, to be frank, Martin, you shouldn't be holding adults' hands to get in Discord. Well, I help everybody. It's the way we do things, Big O. It's the way we run things. We are here to help every single person. It's what we do. It's the service I promised and delivered. But thank you for saying so. It's a bit stressful sometimes. But anyway, we do what we do. Space Shorter must be getting a little nervous. Not yet, they're not. I meant the comment for the individuals calling you out as a pump and dump ringleader in the chat. Who was saying that? I meant the comment for the individuals. Oh, we don't listen to them. Sir Alan Solo. We don't care what idiots say. We've got a verification tick from YouTube, authenticating us as a genuine, authentic channel, which is rare in the financial space. We've got 116,000 subscribers. We have 4 successful YouTube channels. We have a very successful Instagram and Discord server, businesses all by themselves. We've gone from $5,000 to $1 million. I've beaten every hedge fund, every professional trader for 3 years in a row, 3 and 4x. Really don't care what a few idiots say. We used to. It was upsetting, but we really don't care. But it's nice of you to protect us and be concerned for us, but we've got less than 0.00000. So there's 4 zeros, 1, people that down like the videos. It's about 4 people. Everybody else is up like. So we really, we really aren't that bothered. We used to be. Now we just find it entertaining. I actually have people say Martin's not even winning. I'm not actually up. I mean, I was up 42 grand today. I'm up 18 grand now. And they'll go, Martin's not really making money. You want to advertise to the world you're an idiot? Then carry on. We just don't care. But anyway, so Alan Solo, it's really nice of you to say so. You can do new emails. I don't know what that means. Oh, Liz, you mean a new email? Yes, a new email for Discord. Yes, you can. Yes, Melissa, you can have a new Discord email. You certainly can. Coca-Cola dumping. Let's have a look. You guys overreact. It's not even moved. Anyway, it's always a non-member, isn't it? So as Sensei changed his mind about being the steward. Oh yeah, the fish and chips. Yeah, on the plane. Yeah, we're going to buy our own plane. This was something we spoke about, and we're going to get our own private jet so we can take trips to England, and I can't wait. I want the trolls to make a video on that, all right? Go and tell the world that's rubbish, that we're going to buy a plane. But anyway, we're going to get a plane, and Sensei and Vaz are going to be delivering ice cream on a stick. Okay, here we go. The first flight we're going to take is down to Boca Chica, go and see Elon Musk for SpaceX. Anyway, SBC is now at 277. Let's have another look at SpaceX. Sorry, not SpaceX, I beg your pardon. Virgin Galactic. Yep, just a little bit of selling going off in the after hours. Be careful if you're chasing it. I think you're going to end up losing your money, but there you go. Do you know the King's English? I heard he was. Is that supposed to be a joke, Terry? What about bruh? Yeah, not really a fan of that. Uncle? Not really a fan of that either. Bro, I like it, sir. Now, yeah, I like it now. Ben Baines. In fact, Ben Baines is my favourite now. Ben, oh, hello. Who's just applied for Discord?
At Malden tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Just applied for Discord.
I thought you were on it, TJ Malden. Is that new? Is that new? What's all that about? Oh, TJ Malden. I can see you right at the top. There you go. TJ Malden. I would love to become a better investor. So, Have you applied before? No. Does your account look good? Have you been banned before on Discord? No. Is your email verified? Correct. Have you got any red flags against you from other Discord users? No. Looking good so far, TJ Molden. Right, in real time, I shall send you this. There you go. Watch, everybody. You can see what I do. TJ Molden has come in all clean. There is his application. I'd like to become a member. All right. So now he gets this. And you can be on our Discord event, our trading event live tonight. Because you can do it straight away. Here we go. Hi there. Make sure you do it on a browser. You can do it on your phone, but you'll end up paying a few cents to Apple. No need to do that. There's the questions. Here comes... I've never shown you before what I do, right? This is secret information. Now I give you the file, which is that one there. There's the video. See that, folks? There you go. Then I give you this file. This one here. Now please answer the questions. And there you go. Now, if you watch that video, I'll wait for you to watch it. Takes 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Watch it. Leah, you all right? Right. Do you need a hand? Right. You watch that video. It's 8 minutes long. All right. Answer the questions. If you get it right, you could set a world record for the fastest person ever on Discord. All right. Does anyone want to know what video we send people? I'm showing you secrets here. The back end of Discord. Look. Here we go. If you're watching this, you're about to get access to our wonderful Discord community. Ooh. And I want to make sure you know exactly what you're getting, what's available to you, and most importantly, how to stay safe. So this is a paid server, a proper community of active investors. No bots, no AI, no noise. We aim to be the most honest, trusted server on Discord, and we take that seriously. We've got 2 tiers. The base level, that's the Lucas Aids tier. With that, you get access to a wonderful community, gaming channels with all sorts of fun stuff, and I share all of my trades during normal trading hours. You see exactly what I'm holding as I'm doing it, and you also get one stage event a week, Monday after the opening bell, where you can come on camera and come on voice or just message in. It's up to you. Then there's the Lucas Aids Pro. With Pro, you get my trades around the clock. 3 in the morning, doesn't matter. If I'm making a move, you'll see it. You get 2-stage events on every single trading day. One after the open and one after the close. Plus direct one-on-one access to me. You can come on camera, come on voice, message me, ask me anything you want. It's fine. Quick note on pricing. It's always a better deal if you subscribe through a browser rather than through the app, and the price does vary based on currency and location, so just be aware of that. We've got a great bunch of people in here, and I'm excited to have you join us. Now I want to introduce you to someone special. Here he is. It's my mate, Sensei. Take it away, mate.
Hey guys, I'm Sensei. You might know me from the shows on Martyn's YouTube channel. I cover the markets, the news, and chart analysis. I also run Sensei News, which is a premium financial newsletter, and we've brought the 2 communities here on Discord. As a Discord member, you'll have some shared channels where you can chat with the newsletter subscribers as well, and I'll be doing stage events that everyone in the server can join. Martyn might pop in, I might pop into his. It's all connected. Everyone wins. If you want to go further, you can sign up to Premium Sensei News. The centerpiece is the chart analysis course. Most courses sell you a dream. This one sells you the truth. 95% of retail investors lose money, and it's not because the market's rigged. It's because no one taught them how it actually works. This is the course I wish existed when I started 8 years ago. No promises, no rented Lamborghinis, just the framework, the psychology, and the tools that separate the 5% who build real wealth from the 95% who give theirs away. 2 hours, 12 modules, 3 private trading view indicators built from 8 years of trading and downloadable checklists. If you want to get rich quick, this isn't for you. If you want to get rich properly, it's the only course you ever need. On top of that, you'll get the daily morning forecast newsletter before the opening bell. No noise, just the 5 things you need to know, a deep dive, and a fresh chart every morning. When big events hit, like the Fed meetings, inflation data, or major earnings, we'll put together cheat sheets so you know exactly what to watch and how to react. A weekly XRP and crypto deep dive, a £1,000 portfolio challenge where we spend days researching new opportunities within the market and sectors. A private app that tracks your net worth with no ads and no access to your data, your own private channels and live stage events here on Discord, and much more. We've got a special discount on Sensei.news for new Discord applicants. So check out the channel on the server. There's a link for you there, and you're always welcome whenever you're ready.
So before anything else, nothing we say on this server or in stage events or anywhere else is financial advice. I share my trades, Sensei covers the markets, but you are responsible for your own decisions. Always do your own homework. Now let's talk about keeping you safe, because this is serious. Okay. Pay close attention to this part, because this is about keeping you and your money safe. Here's the golden rule. Nobody on this team, not me, not Sensei, not Vaz, not anyone, will ever DM you asking you to send money, connect your wallet, use a specific exchange, buy a coin, click a link, move your funds, or participate in airdrops or any crypto scheme. That will never happen. What will happen is you'll be bombarded with friend requests and DMs from people pretending to be us. And they're convincing. They copy the logos, the display names, everything. Everything. Let me show you this now. Sensei, it's over to you.
Yeah. See this screenshot. Multiple fake accounts, all using our branding, all sending friend requests. And here's what happens when they message you. This is typically what their first message looked like. And also look at the next one we're going to show you. It's very convincing. It starts with, I will never ask to send money, which sounds like something we'd say, because it is something we say. But they take advantage. Then they tell you to change your settings. That's the trick. They build trust first, then get you to do something. The golden rule. If anyone DMs you, telling you to do anything with your money, your wallet, your settings, or asking you to click links or to connect anything, it's a scam. Full stop. No exceptions. Now, let me tell you exactly how these scams work, because it's not always obvious. They don't just say, send me money. They're smarter than that. What they'll do is they'll message you pretending to be Martyn or one of the team. They'll build a relationship with you, pretending to be us. Then they'll say something like, I want to help you set up a trade, or I've got a trading bot that makes great returns. They'll walk you through buying crypto on an app like SafePal or Trust Wallet. Then they'll take you to a link to a website and ask you to connect your wallet or enter your 12-word recovery phrase. The moment you enter your recovery phrase, your money is gone. They drain the wallet, and there's
I'm playing the video that TJ Mulder is watching for the first time ever. I've never done it before. Thank you, Sensei. So remember, your 12-word seed phrase or recovery phrase is like the key to your bank vault. Never type it into any website. Never share it with anyone. Not us. Not anyone. No legitimate service will ever ask you for it. If someone asks you for your seed phrase, that is the scam. Full stop. And we will never guide you through setting up trades, buying crypto, using specific wallets, or connecting to any website. If someone claiming to be part of this team is walking you through anything like that, it's not us. Now, these scams change over time. The messages evolve, the tactics shift, they find new angles, but the golden rule stays the same. Always think twice. If it feels off, it probably is. The scammers might also message you about trading bots, guaranteed returns, secret exchanges, all of that. We don't do any of that. We don't promote bots. We don't tell you to move your money around. If someone is messaging you, pushing you to do any of that, it's not from us. Report it. For your settings, what we recommend is go into your Discord privacy settings, friend requests, and turn off everyone. Keep friend of friends and server members switched on. That reduces the scam requests without completely isolating you from the community. It's up to you at the end of the day, but that's what we suggest. I'm going to share something now with you on the screen, this one here. And if you're ever unsure about anything, a message, a link, a friend request, just come into the main Discord chat, post a screenshot and ask, or jump into one of the YouTube live streams and check us there. Don't act on anything until you're verified. Don't click on anything until you've verified it. Think twice, always. So once you've answered the questions, you'll be admitted, but you'll only have a short window to choose your subscription to unlock your channels and perks. If you don't subscribe, you'll be removed from the server. We're very much looking forward to having you, and welcome to our community. There you go. So what happened? That was the video. I've never shown it before to all of you. That's the first time. So basically, that's what we've just sent to TJ Molden. He's been given the questions. He now has to write the answers. TJ Molden, you made a joke about writing them in here in Discord. Don't write the answers in YouTube. Put them in Discord in the application. I can't process you without that. Write that. So over here in a few seconds time, you're probably going to see TJ Molden put the answers to the question. We gave him 4 questions and he needs 4 answers, and he'll know those answers directly from, look, there you go. He's writing them in right now, look. And I'm going to hide them. I don't want anyone to see what he writes in. So,
Molden tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. That was magical.
That's it. Right. Spot on. Now he got the questions right and his account was clean and checked and verified. I'm now going to send him this. This is the application success. So I drop this in here. I tag him in so he sees it, so he doesn't miss the notification from me. There is my message. Whoops-a-daisy. There's my message. I say, congratulations, you are now in. You've got a short window now to choose your membership, as was explained in the introduction. There you go. There's the link. He's already in the server. He doesn't need the link, but we're giving him the link just to make it easier, just for, full, clarity. And then there is the onboarding video. Now, the onboarding video, I'm going to show you that as well. I've never shown you that before, have I? This is fun. Quite enjoying this. Let me upload this. Congratulations, you are in. There you go. Congratulations, you are in. I've now got to click approve. Hang on, TJ Molden. Hang on, TJ Molden. I haven't done it yet. He's going, I've not approved. I can't see nothing. You will in a minute. TJ Molden. Scroll to the top. Click approve. And he's approved. Now he's in. Now he can't see anything. He can't access anything. He can't talk to anybody. He can't scam anybody. He can't do anything. He has to choose a membership. Now he goes and chooses the membership, and he'll probably go pro. 99% do, but it's his choice. And then he'll watch this video. Shall we have a little look? Shall we play the video? Let's play the video. Do we have any new members today inside Discord? Well, if you've got a green shoot next to your name, we do. I'm making this live in a stage event, but you're getting this recorded, sent to you when you join the server, so we don't have to repeat it every day for all the other members. They've just heard me make this once and I wasn't recording it, so I'm doing it again. This is for the benefit of you. If you've just joined, this is your welcome in video so you know how it works. We are now on a stage event. So let's start again. second time, take two. So you've just joined our server and you've joined a stage event. That's the first thing that you do. Now you'll see down here we have people in royal purple. That's our boosters. They boost the server. We love the boosters. The money doesn't go to me. It gives extra facilities and services to the server. All right. So if you want to become a booster, we always give you a big welcome and a big nod around the server because you are boosting the server. If you see anybody in lilac color, they are a pro member. And as you can see, this person here is the person I'm making this video for today. The very first person, he's got a green shoot. So if you've got a green shoot like this, you are new, and that's why you're getting this video. All right. If you see anybody in green, we might not see anybody in green because this is there's very few standard Lucasade members. I'll come on to their roles in a minute. But if you see anybody in green, they are a standard member. William Bond is in blue. He's admin. If you see anybody in red, they are a moderator. If you see anybody in gold, it's only me. If I go high, you can see I'm in gold there. That's all the roles. Now, you'll be in lilac or you'll be in green, and you'll know that from your own color. Okay, now, you are in a stage event. This is a live stage event. Now, if you are a pro member and you are in lilac, it comes with a price guarantee. No inflation, no price increase ever. You get 2 stage events every single trading day. All right, 2 stage events, 11 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern and 5 p.m. Eastern time every trading day. The standard members, the green members, and you'll be in green if you are, you get 1 stage event on a Monday at the same time as the early morning event, okay? So that's how that works. Now, as a member of the channel, if you are in lilac, so you are a pro member, you can send me a friend request. I'll accept it for direct support, direct access, and you have that 24/7. If you are in green, you are a standard member. You can send me one, but I can't accept it. You can always upgrade, of course. And if you want help with that, create a ticket. Our team will help you. William Bond and myself will help you upgrade, and you can get that extra support. Now, standard members get 1 stage event a week. Pro members get 2 every single trading day. Standard members get my trades throughout the day. Pro members get my trades 24/7. And you can send me a friend request for direct support and access. So that's how the chat works here on the stage event. This is our stage event. You can be live on the call. Now, when you come in here for the first time, send me a friend request and I will accept it. That protects your account. You'll also notice on my name, you notice when I wrote my name, and it's many people have it. Look, you can see members have the Luca badge. If you right-click on the Luca badge, you can import it into your profile. It gives you priority responses to me, and when you move around other servers, it identifies you as a member of this server. And so thank you, I then give you priority treatment, okay? So there you go. That's the difference between the different roles. Now, how does the stage event work? If you click on me here, you will see I got 3 dots. You can turn the volume up or down. If we can have 1,000 people on the stage all talking at once. So you can turn the volumes up and down for each individual person so you can balance the sound out because we all broadcast differently. If it's still too quiet, go below on a mobile device. You might be on an earpiece, not on a speaker, and change your output. Okay, now you can be on the show. It's not recorded. This event now I'm recording for the very first and last time, but normally it's a private space, not recorded, and you can be on the stage event. This is where you ask me questions. You can be part of it, and you can see all these people here are all on the. They are all in the stage event, but they are all off the stage at the moment. The only person who's on the stage at the moment is me up the top, as you can see. You can put your hand up and you can be on the show. That's how that works. So now you know what the roles are. You now know when the stage events occur. You now know about the badge. Send me a friend request, what the different colors mean, how to take part in the stage event. I'm now going to show you the rest of the server. On the left-hand side, you will see at the top, it says Browse Channels. If I can just find the Browse Channels section. There it is. Browse Channels. The first thing you need to do is click Browse Channels and turn on the channels that you want. Highlight them, give them a tick, follow them if you want to follow them. Check regularly because we do add new channels all the time. Then you scroll down and you'll see the server shop. The server shop is where we have secret digital content you can download, and it unlocks secret content, but that is only on a browser. Scroll down, you'll see a few channels that are locked to everyone. They're just for me and my team to tell me how many people are in the server. As you can see, this is how many there are currently. Scroll on down, there is the create ticket. Where is it? To create the ticket, blah, 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 blah. There we go. These are our current tickets that are open. You can have a ticket. If you need assistance and support, open a ticket. All right. Scroll on down. There are other things like YouTube Investor Live. This is where I post the event when we're going live on YouTube. You definitely want to follow and turn notifications on. Otherwise, you'll miss things. If you want to follow my music content, I'm the World Piano Man, and every Friday I have music videos, a music concert, and I have videos coming out. You might want to follow that. Whenever there's a premiere, you might want to join it first. Follow this, turn the notifications on. You'll be notified when a new video or premiere comes out. Martyn's Trade Clips. You want to follow that one, where you can also win 100 coins on a live show. If I do a trade, before I've had a chance to post it, a member will post it there first, and the first person only, please, don't repeat it. You win 100 coins, which you can spend on things. We'll come on to that in a minute, and that's where that is. This is where our polls are. Then there's the Pro Trader Chat. If you are a pro member and you are in Lilac, you've got the pro role, Martyn's Lucas Pro, you get all this chat with all the pro traders. And we do have some whales in there, some great people, small investors and large ones. Martyn's Pro Trades, that's where my trades are 24/7. Now, if it happens during trading hours, it will be in Martyn's Trade for standard members. Martyn's Trades in there alongside the standard members chat. But if it's outside trading hours, it will go in there. Not both. Not both. This is for out of hours. This is during hours. So all members can get during hours. Pro members can get out of hours. All right. We scroll on down and you'll see specific channels for specific reasons. Please keep it on point. Ripple, Coca-Cola, Virgin Galactic, SpaceX. If you want us to add specific channels, let us know and we can add them for you in suggestions if we get a lot of support for it. You can follow all the different channels. As you can see, there's crypto news, stock news, your questions, general chit chat, all kinds of things. Merch pictures. If you ever buy any merchandise, please share your image of you wearing or holding the merchandise. We share it on the show. It goes onto the shop. We like to use it in the show as well. So if you take a picture, send it in. We will use it. Try and make it in as a square picture. That would be best, but it doesn't really matter. The games channel is where you win free coins. We give you free Luca coins, which you get for free, and then you can trade up for prizes. As we go on, there'll be more and more things, more prizes, more perks, more benefits that you can actually get. We have our first, when I made this video, as I'm making it now, a member who's gone through 1 million trades, 1 million coins, and you can trade them up for free stock analysis. There'll be merchandise, gifts, mugs, all sorts. So make sure you take part in the gaming channel. Fan art. If you are a fan of the channel and you like to make images, we enjoy these. You can make images which we share for the channel, and some of these become stickers on the channel as well. We do enjoy that. Live chat. If you want to do what I'm doing right now and talk to everybody on the show, everybody in Discord, you can set up your own live chat. Go live whenever you want and you can talk to each other. Please make sure you just mute your microphone, and that way it works really well, and you can have a conversation with each other and talk 24/7 about any subject you want. It's your channel to use. Oh, there you go. Someone just subscribed to the channel in the making of this video on YouTube. All right. Scroll down. You got different channels, like we got the EvToll Hub from the team, Sensei's Corner. Now, what this is if you are a news a newsie. So if you've got the newsie role, you might be a pro member, but also has the news role. You can go into Sensei's Corner and you can see your newsletter items, things that you subscribe to. Now, if you don't have the newsletter role, and that comes with the trading indicators, the training course, the video training course, many, many great things from Sensei. Remember, as a Discordian, you get 40% off. It's the best deal. There'll never be a better deal. Discordians always get the best deals. So you can go into Sensei's Corner, open up all these different channels, as you can see here, and it will tell you how you can get the newsletter, how you can get the discount, and so on and so forth. If you've got the newsletter role, and when you come in, you create a ticket, Sensei will give you the role, you can access all of these channels that are locked to everybody else. So you'll get all the newsletter trading indicators, and it's great because you're inside Discord and you have it all in one place. You don't have to go anywhere else. But this will give you the opportunity to get this. Corner, open up all these different channels, as you can see here, and it will tell you how you can get the newsletter, how you can get the discount, and so on and so forth. If you've got the newsletter role, and when you come in, you create a ticket, Sensei will give you the role, you can access all of these channels that are locked to everybody else. So you'll get all the newsletter trading indicators, and it's great because you're inside Discord and you have it all in one place. You don't have to go anywhere else. But this will give you the opportunity to get this for 40% off inside Discord. All right? So there you go. I think that's pretty much it. That's it. So now what I'm going to do is come back to the stage event. So if I go to the top here, hopefully my audience are still with me. They didn't get completely bored. There you go. There's the event. As you can see, 114 people today. We can have up to 1,000. In the stage event, you can join me. You can be live on the show. You can ask questions here in the chat. No one gets left behind. No one gets ignored. Now, because we are busy and we're getting bigger and bigger all the time, and one of my members is now going to demonstrate it, I'm sure, if you could tag me. So in the chat right now, would somebody tag me in the chat so they'll show future members how it works? If you tag me, I will see your question. Someone's going to, there you go, Petra did it. Petra did it, and now I can see her question and answer her question. So there you go. Just to recap very quickly, this is your welcome in video. So you now know how the server works. You know what the roles are. You know how to identify different people around the server. As a pro member, you've got a price guarantee of no price increase, no inflation. Send me a friend request. Make sure you got the Luca badge. Make sure you make friends with people. It's the best way to make it work. And on top of that, the stage events, you know where they are. We post them here in the show, in the server, so you can see when they're coming up. But they're always the same time, unless there's a major event like an earnings call and we have to scrub the event or there's something happening big in the market. But that's the basic plan. So there you go. Thank you very much, everybody who was patient. I'm going to come back to them now and answer their questions for real. But this was your welcome in video, because up to now, I've been doing this every single show. Can you believe it? And now we've got it just for you set there. All right, so there you go. Welcome, new Discordian. Maybe you're pro, maybe you're a standard member. I don't know. Whatever you are welcome here. We aim to be and will promise to be the most honest, real, useful Discord server in the world. And be part of our family. Get to know all the bits and pieces. If you are confused, open a ticket and we'll help you. That's it from me. I'll see you on the next one. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. And there is your Discord onboarding event. What you've just witnessed is TJ Molden's application. So he's been through all of that. He joined, he learned all about it, he chose a membership, or did he? He's had chance to watch all the rules, all the onboarding. Now let's go and have a look. Now I'm going to look really silly because he decided he didn't want to join and thought it was rubbish. All right. Well, I've just got notification that TJ Molden is in fact gone pro. He is a pro member. So now TJ Molden, because he's watched that, he knows he can send me a friend request. So I am now going to drop another message to him, the final message. And I'm going to go upload a file, and I'm going to go, congratulations, you are a pro. Apologies for all the beeps. It's because you've been listening to Discord, and the beeps are my notifications, all right? So I know what's going on. Anyway, congratulations, you are a pro. Shall I play that?
Fantastic. You decided to go pro. Congratulations. You can now send me a friend request. You may have already done it. I may have already accepted it. You've now got direct support with me 24/7. All the pro channels, all the pro investors, 2-stage events a day, my price guarantee, no inflation ever. And we're here to support you and help you along the journey. Make sure you go to the browse channels and check the boxes of all the channels that you want to be notified of and join us on our stage events. We're here to help you. It just now leaves me to say we wish you the very best of success. We're here to help you. My aim is to provide the best service in the world and provide you with the best Discord server. You have a friend, you have a family here to support you. You are no longer and will never be alone in the financial world. Good luck to you and welcome to the family.
There you go. So now he's in and done. And now I know he's done. I'm looking out for his friend request. If he sends me a friend request, I'll accept it. But I'm now going to close the application. His application, I'm going to close it. There's no more to do. It's done. Close that. He'll now just see me around the server, or he'll send a message or whatever he wants to do. TJ Molden has just, look at this. TJ Molden has just sent me a friend request, but I'm going to make sure it's him. So, because someone else is watching this now thinking I'm going to pretend to be TJ Molden and somehow scam the server. So I've just had a friend request, but to make sure it's him, I'm going to click on his role and I'm going to find him. And look, this folks. Here you go. This is the back end of it all. Look, a LucasAid Pro. He's got Sensei's news unlocked, so we can now see the open channels for Sensei's news. And I can simply click accept a friend request, and he is done. That's it. TJ Molden, we've just gone through the entire process. He gets a tick on my back end, so I know he's a good serving character. We know who he is. We verified him. He's verified us. He's in the server. And I've just shown you now the complete process from beginning to end of how to get involved in our event. Okay, now, perfect timing because we've got 20 minutes to go before our next event. And I wanted to see if Melissa came through. No, Melanie, sorry. No, Suffian did, Wookie did, Eagle John, David O'Brien, Fat Finger did. Right, so there you go. I have no idea why I showed you that. Hopefully you enjoyed it a little bit, but the idea was just showing you how it all works for some strange, ungodly reason. But there you go. I just thought it would be fun. Let me go back to questions. Let's have a look. Wonder how many of your members are day traders. I've got a good idea. I'm not going to share it publicly because that is inside Discord. We know exactly how many there is, what they're buying, when they're buying it, because we all share information. McDonald's, not sure I know what you mean by that. More than 30 minutes you did this help. Yes, Liz, we're here to help everybody. No one gets left behind. SBCE, after successfully Delta launch, will go to $10, I think. It very well could do, yes. Terry Rose. Martin, thanks for your time and efforts, always. I used to use the word bro. I got older, now I use brother. There you go. Wonderful. They take profits. Coca-Cola down and up. Well, yeah, that's the market, isn't it? Sir Alan Solo, I've always been bearish on YouTube traders, but I was lucky enough to come across your channel and appreciate the absence of BS, and I appreciate the company when trading. Great. I mean, we got whales inside our server, real big managers, some serious managers, trading managers inside our server. Or let me just mute that now. I don't want that on anymore. Yeah, we've got some really serious people inside our server. Yeah, some really serious people. Let me come back to here a minute. Right. That's very kind of you to say so. I really appreciate it. We are in after hours play now. Yes, we are. Patience is a virtue. It is indeed, Ben Baines. Apply to the Discord as fat fingered. Oh, would you like me to onboard you? I'm not going to go through all that again. Let's do that. The first one is Sufyan Khan. I've invested for a while with no direction. I'm hoping this will give me some. It definitely will. It might not be the direction that you want to go in, and it might not be the information you want to hear. But you know what, Sufyan? It'll be the truth, and it'll be directly from the sources. And with that information, you do as you please. We're not going to sugarcoat it. We're not going to tell you what you want to hear. We're going to tell you how it is. And it is what it is. There's no secret to life. The secret to life is knowing there isn't one, by the way. Right, Sophia, there is your application. And guess what? I'm not going to play the video for you. You've already know it. You know what to do. And nobody else wants to hear it again either, I'm sure. Sufyan, there you go. There's your application. Who else wants to join us? Or Eat Dirt has sent a friend request. Let me double check. He's a member, the same person. Members. Eat Dirt. Eat Dirt is a pro member. Yes. Profile. Accept. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's you in. Eat Dirt. Lovely. Next one. Sufyan Khan, I'm just taking care of you. Wookie153, looking to build on my trading and investing knowledge along with engaging with other members. I love that. Very nice application. Thank you, Wookie153. Let me drop in. You can see now why I didn't sell SpaceX, why I wasn't worried about that dip. Didn't buy more either. Don't see much point. There you go. Hi there. Upload your video. I'm doing this just to wrap this up tonight. And here is your voice note. Okay. Eagle John. Hello, Eagle John. I want to educate myself better. Oh, you're on the newsletter. That's what you're saying. You might be telling the truth. You might not. Some people do lie. We're going to assume that you're telling the truth. So there we go. I've added Sensei into the call. He'll help you as well. Eagle John. There is your questions. There is your video. There is your voice note. Looking for some after hours action tonight on all markets. I will be posting it on Discord later. I'll be up late at night on the phone to the banks. David O'Brien, to learn, he says. Okay. Nice to hear. I learn more from you than you'll ever learn from me. People think I'm joking when I say that. I'm absolutely not. The amount of information I get from you guys is ridiculous. It's best library in the world. Looking at all these traders and investors, what they're actually doing for the truth, there's nothing better. I know exactly where the market's going. Right. There's that. And Fat Fingered, there you are. I've been following Martyn for just under a year or so, and I appreciate listening to smart opinions. You also suggesting that you are with Sensei News. So I'm going to tag in Sensei so Sensei can white glove assist you as well. We like to provide the one-on-one service. No one gets left behind. That's all. There is your questions. There is your video. And there is your voice note. There we go. We're just about to hit 1,000 members on Discord. Can you believe it? Antonium. To learn about trading philosophy. Well, we do have a psychology section as well in Martyn's Thoughts, all about the psychology of investing. Very, very, I'm really pleased that you're interested in that subject. It's really fascinating, the psychology of investing. Yeah, if you understand that, you'll do well. In fact, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Most people lose because they don't have the mentality for it. They just guess. Gigs. Hello, Gigs. For chart analysis and market updates, well, we have a training course for you, and we have free charts as well, where you can request from Sensei every Sunday. This week it was on a Monday, and you can ask for Sensei to do a chart of your favorite crypto, favorite asset for free. That's what Discord members get. How about that? You can say, can you give me a full chart? All the sell orders, buy orders, support lines. I mean, you get all of that. That's free. And you get a training course, how to read the charts, an 8-hour video training course worth thousands of dollars. And we could sell it. We could sell it, totally sell it. And we provide it for you for free inside the newsletter. It's absolutely fantastic. I use it myself. Right, Gigs. Edward Albert. I'm a newbie. Welcome to you. I've got one more to do. And then we can wrap this up with the last few questions and then go over to our trading session tonight. Let's have a look. Upload your video, your questions, and your voice note. There you go. And East Coast Dragons interview, you're already in process. All right. Suffian's already answered the questions. Now, I'm a little bit concerned you've got the answers so quick because you've only had 3 minutes to watch the video. I wonder if you watched it live on the show. So normally I wouldn't accept you, but I'm assuming you just watched the video on the show. Oh, no. No. You've answered it incorrectly, so I can't let you in. Suffian Khan. Sorry, Suffian Khan. We can't let you in. Hi, Suffian. This is Martyn Lucas. Unfortunately, your answer to number 3 is incorrect. And number 4 isn't very accurate either. You need to watch the video to understand. And you've asked how to become a member. That all is explained in the video. And the links are above. Thank you. You've got an hour to do this. Otherwise, it will be rejected. Thank you. There we go. Someone playing silly buggers. Or they genuinely need some help. We just don't know at this point. Right. There you go. That's how it all works. I've shared you the behind the scenes. Apply to Discord, fat fingers. Yes, I just took care of you. Hope that was helpful. Don't worry. Don't try to catfish Martyn. He's happily married. Yeah, sure. That's yeah. What a comment that is. Thanks for all you do. You're welcome, Eric. It's my pleasure. Respectfully, what happened to owning SBCE last week? You're not a member, Mexican, so I can't, I'm not going to answer that. My Discordians know exactly what our trade setups, our YouTube members do as well. And we're about to make, I will tell you one thing, we're about to make a major move on Virgin Galactic like you've never seen. That's all you're going to get from me, I'm afraid. Tough audience today. They can't all be winners, folks. How do you feel about Nvidia? Great, but I wouldn't buy the price it is today. Kind of you. I clicked that link now more than 10 times. Right, okay. Well, we have checked. You're not banned. We don't see you. You've seen me onboarding people. People join. So I don't know, Melanie, what you're doing. No, I see different things. So I can't tell you. I'm sorry we're not being able to help you. But clearly you're going to somewhere else. Your link you're putting in isn't right. I don't know. Thanks for sorting my approval, Martyn. You're welcome. All taken care of. By the way, I'm from Germany, but it's only different because of the language. but it's not only different because of the language. Melanie, I wish I could help you, but I can't do no more because, as I've demonstrated, it's working perfectly well. I don't know what else to suggest. I don't like leaving people behind, but I've done all the steps, and you're saying you're not even seeing the server. So there's nothing left for me to do. Anyway, Dawson, what is the difference between the YouTube channel and Discord? Do we need both to benefit? Okay, Dawson, I'll answer that question. So YouTube TV, let me be honest. I'm not here to sell you anything, right? The membership fees, the Discord fees are not for me to get rich. I spend more. In fact, I lose money running Discord because my time is worth $700 an hour. Today I was up 40 odd grand. I can trade and make money. I don't even need to be on YouTube or don't even need to be on Discord. I'm just sharing my journey to build a community, not to sell videos. That's why I turn down YouTube sponsorship every day. 50 grand. Every day I got offered 50 grand. And I say no. I'm here just to share my experience and build a family while I'm trading. That's it. And you're watching what I do. You don't need anything. If you don't want to be an active investor, just buy the S&P 500. It's the free advice, and just do that every month. Will I beat you? Yes. You'll make 10% on average a year. I'll 4x the market every single year. So if you don't want to study and you don't want to, be an active high frequency trader, buy the S&P 500 and you'll make 10% a year and you'll do all right. Do that for 40 years and you'll be fine. However, if you want to beat the market, then we provide that information. You can watch the show for free. Absolutely. All day, every day. I'm talking to you now and you can watch the show for free. However, if you are a member, why 98% of our viewers are members is because they want to support the channel. They love the channel. We believe in providing services that people love, not need. There's a difference. So you, as a thank you to being a member of the channel, you get members only videos, members only live streams. All our CEO interviews are all members only. You can comment to a video and I will personally reply. No AI, no bots, no robots, me. I will take the time to answer all questions. You can speak to me live on the show. Because we're quiet now, I'm in non-members mode. I'm talking to you. You've got my time. My time is worth $700 an hour. You've just had nearly $100 of my time. Okay. If we're busy, we'll be members only, and members get their questions answered. No matter if there's 1,000, 10,000 people watching, you will get a response. You're never alone. You are part of a family, part of a community. That's the bronze level membership. Plus many other perks. You can request earnings calls, stock analysis. If you're a few steps up from that, Electrum, you get 2-stage events a week with free stock analysis. We play spin the wheel and you can get a free stock analysis. People offer me $100, $200 to do a stock analysis. You get that for free as an Electrum member. As an Electrum member, you'll also get all of my trades 24/7. So I will post them in the community tab on the YouTube membership 24/7. All my trades 24/7. You're never alone. You'll never miss anything. You will get everything 24/7. Also, members get discounts to the shop, and the list goes on. There are many other perks of being a member, all right? Stock reviews, chart analysis, earnings calls, it goes on forever. Now, you might want to be a gold member. I've got 125 gold members, and for about $8 a month more, they get an hour from me a month. Bearing in mind, $8, my time is worth $700. They get a 1 hour private video call with me every month. So if you want to talk to me about your portfolio or building a YouTube channel, I'm here to help people get that. Whatever it is you want to do, you can have that for an extra $8 a month. And I've just shown you, we've won the award from YouTube 5 years in a row, best practices, best value. We've never increased our prices in 5 years, and we never will. So if you buy the membership today, in 30 years from now, you'll still be paying the same. So in fact, it gets less expensive every year with inflation. Okay? So when you get a membership, you never pay more. How about that? For life, you're locked in at that price. Cancel, and if things change, then you might not get the same price. But there it is. And I've shown you on the post on X, Instagram, we got the award 5 years in a row, best value, best practices on YouTube. Pretty cool, right? Now, there's some tiers above that as well, but that's YouTube membership. Now, why does anyone want Discord then? Because I've just told you, you get the trades 24/7 on YouTube, Electrum. Well, some people want the trades, they already get that on YouTube, but they want the community 24/7. Our Discord server is with 874 pro investors. Big whales, small investors, trading, sharing ideas, discussing trades, 2-stage events every day, one-on-one education. We've got support. You're never alone. You get my trades, but you also get live interaction, stage events where we trade live, training courses, newsletter, interaction with the Sensei newsletter, plus many more things. We give you free coins to claim for prizes. We're going to give away merchandise. There's a whole host of things, and it's worth in excess of $100. We charge a couple of bucks. Again, we make money from doing it. It's not a sales gimmick, but I will tell you now, virtually everybody's both. But you don't need anything. You can watch the show for free. I'm talking to you right now when it's not quiet. But if you want the community, that's what it's all about. I hope that answers your question. Instead of a plane, just wait and buy an EVTOL. Yes, we'll do that instead. Just apply for Discord. TJ Molden, I went through the whole thing. I'm buying more space when it averaged at 245. Good luck to you, mate. AFTV banned me. What's that? Who's AFTV? I sold Space 3%. Congratulations, you made some money. Very good. Robin is showing Space short float at 38.85. Yes, it is. After Endelung, I don't speak German. Ich nicht kann sprechen Deutsch sehr gut. I am directly on Discord without being able to choose the picks you showed. I am directly on Discord without being able to choose the picks you showed. Yeah. You're already on Discord, but yet you can't see our server. Trying to help you, but I really don't know what else to say. Yeah, I really don't know. Have you given me your Discord username correctly? Not your display name, your username. Have you given me your actual username, Melanie? I want to make sure you've given me your correct. I'm trying to help you, still am. But in fact, I'll make this easier for you. You're from Germany, right? You're from Germany. Okay. Hi, Melanie. I'm not giving up. I want to help you. I believe you're trying to get on Discord. So let me talk to you in your native language. Let me hopefully make this easier for you. If you log out of Discord, log in again, click on the link that I've dropped in the chat. Let's see if we can get you onto Discord. I'm not giving up on it.
Hallo Melanie, ich gebe nicht auf. Ich möchte dir helfen. Ich glaube, du versuchst, auf Discord zu kommen. Also lass mich mit dir in deiner Muttersprache sprechen. Ich hoffe, dass ich es dir einfacher mache, wenn du dich von Discord abmeldest, dich erneut einloggst und auf den Link klickst, den ich im Chat abgelegt habe. Mal sehen, ob wir dich auf Discord bringen können. Ich gebe nicht auf.
Not sure what the last couple of words were. Don't know why I added extra bits in. Don't know why I added extra bits in. But anyway, I've just given you the link. We could do it together. No, oh, blimey, it's Discord time. I've got to go. When is Discord now? Sorry, I've got to go to Discord. Sorry, guys, I've got to go to Discord. Refer to William Bond. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I've got to go. It's Discord time. Right. I apologize. I completely got sidetracked helping Melanie. Let me set up Discord now. We've got an event starting right now. Right, we're going to go to Discord now. I apologize. I was helping Melanie, and it looks like we're rallying into the after hours as expected. So I've got to go on to Discord now. So just let me set the event up. Please bear with me. I apologize for being late. I completely got sidetracked helping a person here. I'm just setting up the event now. SpaceX is going up after hours. Just setting, again, I apologize for everybody for being late. I got sidetracked helping Melanie. Looks like I was right. We're seeing a bounce after hours. Again, apologize for being late. Okay, events set up. Events, create, stage channel, pro event. Overnight action. I've got some information coming through right now. So let's do this now. I'll share it with everybody on Discord right now. Apply, next, create event, copy link. Wow, people are already coming in. That was quick. 1 second. Let me drop in the event there at everyone. Publish. Okay. Okay, guys, looks like we're going to get some movement after hours tonight. Let me go over to Discord now and discuss our trade setups. Virgin Galactic, yeah, it's come down 1% after hours. I said it would. I would be very careful buying it today. Yeah, Coca-Cola just going down as well. So no rotation trade there. And I'm getting some word in. Good. Right. Okay, guys, we're going to go over to Discord. I'll see you right there now. I'm sorry for being late. For the rest of you, it'll take you automatically to what you've just missed. If you tuned in late, here is the update of what you just missed. Live now. Whoops, a daisy. Live now on Extra. Come on. When you get late, everything goes against you, doesn't it? What the heck? What's going on? Live now on Extra. Try that again. Oh, for God's sake, it came through twice. Replace the pin. Okay, guys, go to Discord now. Apologies for being late. I'll see you back in the morning. I think there's special events tonight from Vaz as well. Take care of yourselves. There's an update from Vaz for those members that supported him throughout the campaign. See you on Discord right now. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.